This is how we use a lot in Thai cuisine. Sour, don't eat the seed, nah?
Yeah. Otherwise, the tree is going to
It's like
grow
awake.
Wow.
Yes, good, yeah?
It tastes fishy.
Fishy? How did that fishy come from?
Should they be washed?
Huh?
Should they be washed? No, I think it's just because I associate the taste with also some fish, maybe fish oil or whatever.
Yeah? Okay.
Or fish sauce.
Fish sauce? Did you touch fish sauce? They smell your hand.
For Stefan, now everything's
Yolk, or you like it cooked? The yolk?
more running.
More runny. Okay, you see that? The white egg here?
Already, yeah.
Yeah. So myself, I like it crispy on the outside and runny in the middle. So you wait for a while until the color golden. You turn the gas longer and don't need to scoop the oil on top. But if you want the yolk a bit more cooked, you scoop the oil. You see? The white egg will not cook. The hot oil will cook it. Okay, perfect. Then put the middle drains a little bit. You see, because the oil is in here.
Yeah.
Right, you see that? Okay, put on top of the rice. Look at that beautiful eggs. Whoa! And now take some oil out.
Yep.
Yeah, keep cooking until the sauce thick. And then almost dry, you add the bacon. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Good job! Woo! Then the chicken completely cooked. We're gonna add everything here, but not this too.
Okay.
Everything, but not that too. And make fire bigger now because we're gonna do it hard. Water. If you don't wanna add too much oil, we try to reduce.
Yes.
So to make it less oily, you know? That's the work the best. So the water or chicken stock will help to cook the veggie and to dissolve the sugar, you know, to boil them together. Bon appetit, right? Look at that, you see? Green, red, yellow, orange, so colorful. Enjoy your food at the table, please.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. This is all, see, it's about to sprout. If we don't open it, right, you put in the ground, it will coconut tree.
Oh, yeah, so okay, we start.
Scary job a little bit. Okay. And then you knock it,
Okay.
rotate. Harder. Harder. Try to stay in the middle. Okay, almost there. Knock here one more. Oh, good job. Open and see if it can be open. Okay, let's see the color. Can I see first? Can I see first? Because sometimes when the coconut is old, you know, you have to smell first. It's not too sour or bad. It's not that sweet, the young green one.
Need to find more pressure, right?
Okay, now your turn. We want the white meat, not the brown one.